Hi, and today I am going to be solving. My name is Putter, and today I'm going to be solving a 3x3 one-handed.
And I'm gonna solve, and I'm gonna time him, and I'm gonna also solve this Rubik's Cube.
And I'm going to be solving a 2x2, and we cannot forget the classic 3x3,
which is very fast.
just a scramble. So I'm going to be solving these three while timing.
And
not
I'm
going to stop. Not going to stop at all. He's going to tell me the time if I ask him. Like, when I'm done with one Rubik's Cube, he'll tell me the time. Done with another, he might forget, but it's okay. So, ready to start?
Yes.
And we look at her. Wait, no. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. And solving your one-handed is very hard.
I just started with one-handed.
I might need to use a table. Where's that piece? Oh no.
You can use a table.
Oh.
Just mind the table.
I'll just use the table. You might not even see me, but I'm just gonna be back when. I'm just gonna put it back when I can.
If you know how to solve it, you think, and you have a very fast time.
I've only been solving Rubik's Cubes for about, I don't know,
40 seconds.
No, I mean, I've been solving Rubik's. My first Rubik's Cube solve was about, I don't know. The first time I solved the first time I went into Rubik's Cubes was, I don't know, 4 months ago.
Okay, 4 months.
4 months of
I thought you did
training.
I thought you did before December. And before November.
Before last year's November? Or what? 4 months ago.
Before this past November.
My first actual Rubik's Cube solve was at my friend's house. We had a play date. We accidentally broke his Rubik's Cubes and fixed it while solving it.
And that's very bad. It breaks.
But the first time I actually solved it, the first time I actually solved the Rubik's Cube was...
Stop talking about Rubik's Cubes.
Okay, but
oh my god!
Well, it's already been about 3 minutes. My first time solving this...
The just fell off. And what is inside this thing?
Oh, just put it back.
Hey, give it at me. He's already 2 minutes.
Okay, 2 minutes. Not a bad time, but I'm only done with the second layer. I think I need the table to help me, but I really want you to see this.
Come on!
What? Okay, so...
What? I did it wrong. I did something wrong. I had no idea what I did wrong.
I'm at my last 2 algorithms.
Never!
Last two steps and...
Never!
Up, push, up, right, down, left, down.
What are you doing?
Okay.
What are you doing?
Last 16 moves.
Oh, finally, I done it in 2 minutes 53 seconds.
My last 8 moves.
He is never gonna do it less than 3 minutes.
4. Don't stop the time yet. I still have more to go. 4. Okay, now 2x2. Okay, so I'm very fast.
3 minutes 12.
3 minutes 12 seconds. Seriously? My first time was way faster than that. And 1, 2.
Is there any paper?
Okay, so... Wow, it's solved. That's fast. Now it's time for this baby. Now
Oh my god. When did you solve this?
I'm pretty fast with the...
I did not even know you just solved that.
What? What?
Yeah, then I just know.
Okay, so just a little bit more. Go get ready to stop the time because I'm almost done. And there. Okay. Okay, skip a step and 2, 3, and done. Well, what's the time?
4 minutes 12
4 minutes 12 seconds.
for solving all Rubik's Cube.
This is a pretty slow time for me.
Why did you start it with that Rubik's?
Wasted time with the one-handed. Why did I start with it? Because it's the hardest, that's why.
If you start with these two, then it would be.
So, does Wingo want to try? Okay, I think Wingo wants to try, so he will mix. I'll mix this up for him.
I hope this doesn't break. Ooh,
Or you go with one hand. So Wingo is going to be doing the exact same thing I did.
Yes, a little slower.
Yeah, his solving time is about.
I'm just gonna tell you my record.
50.
1 minute 12.
His record is 1 minute 12 seconds.
Oh,
His average is about 1.5 minutes. My record is about 37 seconds, which I just said last night.
Last night. If you saw this
Wait,
video
go.
last night, that's impossible, okay?
And my average is about 43 to 45 seconds. And he's inspected his cube. 3, 2, 1, go! He starts with the 2x2, easiest one. And I think he's almost done. That's fast. He's almost done. And he's confused. All he had to do was one turn, but he didn't realize it.
Hey! Why did you tell me?
Okay, but now, and
Oh my god.
it is a very slow 2x2 solve. It's been 48 seconds.
I have a better record than this.
His average is about 30 seconds. It's already been.
I think my best is 29.
It's already been. He solved it in exactly 1 minute. Now is the one-handed part.
I really want the one to see this.
This might take a while.
Ow.
He's using the table to help him and he cannot even get it out. He spent 35 seconds making the daisy.
Wait a second. That's better.
He's using his foot to help.
No, that's better. Okay, that's not better.
It has been 1 minute and you are still not done with the cross. Wingo, it has been 1 minute. You're still not done with the first step.
What? What did I just do? Oh my god, why didn't I just use that technique?
Remember, it's one-handed.
I know.
If you touch it with your other hand to move it, it is a... If you touch it with your other hand, it is a 50% plus to your time.
I just did this before. Why did I rest?
Okay, if it just falls on your hand and you pick it up with that one hand, then it's fine. Do you need help with the table or something?
He's not even had to pick up the other Rubik's Cube.
You cannot do 2 Rubik's Cubes at once. According to the rule book right here.
That's not Rubik. Oh my god.
It has been crazy. You probably can't even see the Rubik's Cube on his thigh
The opposite
hip
of the
or something.
Oh, what the?
Oh, it's been... It's been 2.5 minutes and he's still not done with the first step.
What?
Oh,
What the?
finally he's done with the first. Finally he's done with the first step.
Okay, I'm
It
not
took
good.
him 3 minutes to get the first step.
I believe you. This show is crazy.
It took you 3 minutes.
What?
And
I'm
now
not a good number.
And now you're just...
Okay, this is so hard. I never made a record of this.
It took you 3 minutes to get the first step. What do you think your record is going to be?
I don't know.
The time I took to solve the whole thing with one hand is the time you took to solve the first step cross. What?
What?
Okay.
I'm different.
It has been 3 minutes 40 seconds. And he's halfway through the second step, I think. Yep, he's halfway through the second step.
Doing this flip.
Which is probably good news. If you're asking me what the easiest step of the 3 times 3 is...
The
It's
eighth step.
Nah, there's no 8th step. The 8th step is just
No, that's
kind of like turning this into that.
That's super easy. I want that.
But my actual easiest step is making the yellow cross on the top. All it needs is just an algorithm once or
Can you use
twice.
a chair?
Yeah, but why don't you just use the table in front of you?
Why should I?
Okay. Will the viewers see the Rubik's Cube?
Why?
So, he is... Guys, it's been 4.5 minutes. Ew.
What?
Ew!
It's sticky.
Why don't you just put glue there?
Should I go get some glue?
Yeah.
Therefore.
And it has been, I don't know. It has been...
Oh, finally!
He is done with the second step, and it has been 5 minutes since he started.
And I did not need to.
It took him 3 minutes to get the cross. 2 minutes to get the first layer. Let me guess how long you'll take the second layer. 8 years. And this is going to be a hard one. And down's going to be hard. You need a finger trip for that. Like pinky or something. Or not. But that step wasn't hard. Now all he has to do is do the left-hand algorithm. And he is... It took him 40 minutes. It took him 40 seconds to do that. And he's just warming up his fingers on this one. I'm just going to scramble it and solve it too.
Wait, can I switch my hands?
No. If you would be competing with the world champion Felix Mdags, guess how many Rubik's Cubes you'd solve by now? Guys, it's been 7 minutes and 7 seconds since he started. But so it's been 6 minutes and 15 seconds since and now he destroyed the first layer.
What do you mean destroy the first layer?
But he's coming back with the second layer coming with him. It's been 6.5 minutes. It took you 1 minute and 30 seconds to get you halfway through this.
Oh my god.
How do you feel, Wingy the Wingster? Okay, we got that caught on camera. We might have to call the police next time.
Where are the police?
There. My daddy is the police.
Then why don't you call it?
How long will it take for you to solve the thing? And I think he's done with the second layer. And surprisingly, it took him about 6, 7. It took him 2 minutes and 15 seconds to get the second layer.
Come back here.
Okay, I feel like he's not done with the second layer. It took him 2 minutes and 30 seconds to get the second layer. And now he had to skip a step because of crime fighting. And I think he destroyed it.
What did I destroy?
He didn't destroy anything. He's using his tummy to help.
What?
Now he's on the...
There's a sugar heritage and Jasper is even more disgusting.
It's been 30 seconds and he is done with a step. It took him 30 seconds to get a step. For me, it would take me about 5 seconds to get the step. To get the yellow cross, with a yellow line, it usually takes me 1 second to get the cross.
What the? I have to do the right hand pattern.
It'd be easy with 2 hands, not with 1. He's almost done, but not yet. He still has the regular 3x3 with 2 hands to solve. Let's see. It has taken you 8 minutes and 38 seconds so far.
Not my best time.
I think my dad really needs that super speed. How is he going to continue? If he just messes everything up and has to start over. Okay, it's been 9 minutes since he started with this Rubik's Cube. How do you feel?
How do you feel?
I feel great. I watch you for 10 minutes.
What about you or me? How would you feel like?
If I were you, then I would feel like I'm laughing right now.
What? You're going to laugh on yourself?
I would feel like I was laughing right now.
Uh-oh.
And he messed everything up.
Okay, this thing is a useless. This guy's a
DNF equals plus the actual time you used. DNF equals plus the actual time you used.
Wait, what's a DNF?
Give up. I don't know what DNF stands for. I think it stands for
You did not give up.
doodling French fry. Wait, doodling noodle French fry.
Oh, what the? Why you just mix up the cube?
I'm just gonna solve it.
I know you
It has been 10 minutes and 15 seconds since he started with that cube. But
I'm never gonna solve this cube.
he messed everything up and now...
Hey, it's all because of you.
What did I do?
Punch your Rubik's Cube!
I didn't punch my Rubik's Cube.
I know. And I
Hey,
know.
look, I punched my Rubik's Cube.
And I know. And what the? I know. Oh, what
And
the?
now he is hopeless.
I'm not hopeless. You are.
I think I can solve... If I remembered everything, I think I could solve a 3x3 one... Okay, I'm just going to do the rest of my 3x3 one-handed to show how easy it is. And...
Because that's not a Rubik's Cube. This, just like this.
Better Rubik's Cubes doesn't matter on one-handed unless you can do it very fast, like Max Park, Felix Zendegs,
What
those people who do one-handed very, very fast.
Say what else?
Am I gonna be done before you?
Yes.
I'm doing it. Wow, I'm doing it one-handed. Okay.
Doing the opposite.
1,
The opposite.
2. Still have that regular Rubik's Cube. You know it's been 12 minutes since you started. Guys, it's been 12 minutes.
And I never made a video. I made a video longer than this.
I know, but some videos usually take 12 minutes. Like,
Some
for
videos
example,
take 17 minutes.
the video that we watched about someone solving a 17 times 17.
Let me guess. Cubastic.
Okay. Let's not talk about other people.
Why? Oh my god, I just fell on my thumb.
That's not a penalty because you just fell.
What's a penalty?
A thing you get in soccer.
Then why just call it a penalty?
A penalty is kind of like a punishment. Kind of like if you
kill a dog.
No, I mean kind of like if you accidentally solve it like that, a penalty 2 seconds means added 2 seconds. But in soccer, if you kick a person in their face on purpose in the penalty area, you'll have a penalty. You'll be penalized. I have a feeling it's gonna take a long time. Maybe we should go to sleep. Will it take longer for an what would take longer? Wingle solving 3 times 3 one-handed, or average person solving 17 times 17? Or professional solving 17 times 17?
No!
Professional solving 17 times 17 is it ranges from 2 hours to 6 hours. That's for professionals.
Cute.
For kids, for unexperienced kids who do not know what a Rubik's Cube is, it would take them their lifetime to solve it.
What the?
Without sleeping or bathroom breaks.
Oh my god. They are very
On full focus.
What the?
It'll take them their whole lifetime.
What, their whole lifetime? Oh my god.
The video's been going on for 22 minutes and
Oh
you've
my
been
God.
solving a Rubik's Cube for 14 and a half minutes.
Oh my god.
Why are you this slow? You still haven't gone. Wait. Are you on that last step?
Yeah?
Are you on that last algorithm?
What was their last algorithm?
Okay, I think you're almost.
No!
And so it can. Okay. Plus 16 minutes to your time.
I don't care. Just press the time on that. Okay. This is stupid rattle. Not stupid. What? This is so long.
You failed twice.
I don't know how to solve it.
I don't know. You're stupid.
Well, you're stupid.
You can't even solve it 2 tries. What? This is crazy.
Because I can't.
Who can solve a Rubik's?
We
Okay,
can't solve a Rubik's Cube. A
I
baby. A newborn baby, okay?
What professional Rubik's Cube solver cannot solve a Rubik's Cube with one hand? Oh, but you're not a professional. Good point.
And
When it's that, I just do 1, 2, and I think it's comes to me.
See, you're just using. Oh, what the?
And
Oh, what the? Why am I so dumb?
Wrong.
Oh, what the? Oh, wait.
The time will be plus by 15 minutes.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Due
oh
to
my god, oh my
the
god, oh my
due
god,
to
oh
the
my
DNF.
God. This is DNF. Okay, give up. Oh my god!
I think it stands for do not finger.
Let's do not finger.
This is a finger. You don't know what a finger is?
What's a do not? What's a finger?
So far, because of that penalty, it has been 22 minutes and 40
Why I
seconds.
could not solve it? It's impossible. I keep on me, okay? If you're a newborn baby, how would you know what to do? Oh my god! What? Okay, I'm gonna do something stupid.
you're gonna keep doing that
Wait,
right
what?
now.
Wait, what? Oh my god, it just...
It doesn't count as solved. It took him, because of the penalty, it took him 23. It took him, because of the penalty of not solving our full Rubik's Cube, it took him
1 second.
It took him 23 minutes and 9 seconds.
And we have a 4 times 4.
They can be used as a 3 times 3, 2 times 2, and 1 times 1.
And a 4 times 4.
Yeah, we forgot the most important part of the 4 times 4 and great one share.
Building.
The thing you
Building.
did. Oh,
Building.
the thing you failed. I actually.
Wait, what? It got parody?
It's not a parody. It's just easy to solve. Just
Okay, just gonna solve this.
wow, it's.
The parody? I knew it was a parody.
Okay, so that's it. Bye.
That's not it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
that's
6,
not
7, 8. Solve in a fast time. Going back.